Today we bring to you a curated list of manufacturing business ideas in India to choose from. These are said to be the best manufacturing business ideas in India. Entrepreneurship in the manufacturing business might seem like a fancy venture where you can dabble your way to success, earn millions, and live happily ever after. But let us burst the bubble and tell you the truth cannot be any further. It requires plans, business strategies, skills, expertise, a supportive team, and, most importantly, honest efforts to make a dent. If it's your first time deciding which business to start, you need to watch to the end and pay close attention. Please pause what you are doing to like, subscribe, turn on the subscriber bell notification, and comment on this video. Also, follow me on Instagram at trending.faqs. Let's jump straight into the video. Here are the 50 best manufacturing businesses in India. 1. Textile manufacturer. Textiles are one of the most prioritized manufacturing businesses, with investments ranging from small to large. The business requires space and machines. If you have initial capital, you can opt for bank loan facilities and start up your venture. 2. Incense sticks making. Limited space, limited capital, and growing opportunities these days, a lot of incense sticks are being exported around the globe as well, which further increases your market. 3. Pickle making. Indian food is incomplete without pickles. So explore and create traditional and healthy pickles to create your own brand and grow big in the market. Limited capital, space, and time are needed to do the same if you have the right set of laborers to work for you. 4. Cashew processing. India is an agricultural country, and cashew nuts grow in abundance. Indian cashews are also well known across boundaries. Cashew nut processing includes removing the cover as well as making it more salted or adding different spices. This is one of the best small manufacturing business ideas, as there is good demand for processing cashews in India and across the world. 5. Cotton bud making. This is one of the smaller and more labor-intensive units to make a simple but moving product. There are a lot of competitors, but the use and throw nature keeps the demand for the same high. 6. Biodiesel production. Biodiesel production is a small-scale industry, and the major raw material, jatropha oil, is easily available. As people are shifting to renewable sources of energy due to reduced renewable sources, biodiesel production is one of the future needs. As the name suggests, bio means attained from plants and animals. This will have an increased use in the future and requires average capital to start the business. This is one of the top emerging small manufacturing business ideas right now. 7. Dairy product manufacturing. This is another booming industry. There are innumerable products that can be formed from milk. Ranging from butter to cream, you can keep on increasing the range of products depending on the capital and space available. However, do remember to get the right licenses and keep it clean. 8. Flour production. Well, if you have very little capital, you can start with the initial level of flour production, which would also include grinding wheat and other grains. As people are becoming more health conscious, you can also keep a variety of grains to attract potential customers. 9. French fries making. This is a brilliant small-scale industry that requires the right machinery and sourcing of potatoes, and you are good to go. If the quality is good, even big chains of fast food might get connected to you. 10. Liquid soap making. It is much simpler than it sounds. Sourcing the right products and mixing them in different recipes and fragrances can make you some good money. Do not forget to test the products before selling them. 11. Furniture making. If you have the right skills and some space and capital, you can start your own furniture manufacturing business. Make connections with local interior designers and sell online. Hard work, good quality, and competitive prices might help you get good clients. This is one of the hottest green manufacturing small business ideas right now. 12. Candle manufacturer. Again, it is much simpler and smaller than it sounds, accompanied by a small space, less capital, and online sales. This would be a smart idea to start. 13. Leather bag manufacturer. Leather bags are used for a number of purposes, like handbags, wallets, laptop bags, school bags, and so on. Making the same thing is simple, but differentiating it from competitors with low capital requires creativity. 14. Biscuit making. People like homemade biscuits. The biscuit making business is a small-scale industry that can start with low startup capital. It requires basic infrastructure and has a low startup cost. 15. Candy or chocolate making. This industry really works well for those who have limited time and resources. Chocolate making requires basic recipes, a good taste, and quality ingredients with a strong base. If the same is accompanied with beautiful packaging, it works well as a gift for weddings, birthdays, formal meetings, etc. 16. Ice cream manufacturing. Ice cream is the favorite edible that breaks in almost all seasons. Ice cream production requires little space and a good infrastructure to keep the product healthy and solid. It is critical to advertise the product in order to instill confidence in the customers. 17. Jam manufacturing. This again requires little expertise, capital, or skills. Although a lot of creativity can be added to change the taste as well as the look of the bottle to make it all the more attractive. Organic and no preservative jams are still hot-selling gifting items. 18. Honey processing. Health-conscious people are using organic honey. If you have the right resources, processing honey can help you get a lot of returns. 19. Organic soap making. Soap making needs limited capital but lots of creativity to sell the products in a competitive market. As soap making has become a common business these days, if you don't differentiate your product, it will not have a good market. So back up your business with a lot of market research and creativity. 20. Hair and beauty products. People with knowledge of hair and beauty products and the necessary capital may find a good market and make good money with quality hair and beauty products. 21. Cake making. Bakeries and even just cake making with, or without eggs are brilliant non-capital intensive businesses. It requires limited capital and is a brilliant idea to grow with growing demands. 22. Fruit and vegetable mart. This is the business, which does not sound very lucrative but actually caters to the necessities of every household and is economically fruitful. A small investment would be sufficient to set up a hygienic, covered, and well-equipped mart, where people can buy vegetables and fruits under one roof at reasonable prices. This is one of the best small manufacturing business ideas for people who want to start in their locality with low investment. 23. Bread making. Bakery items are such that if they are made well and at a reasonable price, they will be consumed by a crowded market. Bread is a favorite breakfast item for many families. Bread, along with the bakery items, can create a stronger base of customers that will grow bigger and better over time. 24. Rocky making. If you are planning to start soon, do consider the option of online and offline selling, trading, and manufacturing of Rockies. It might look like there are so many people pursuing this work, but if you consider the consumption levels, it might be a good idea. This is a seasonal business. 25. Jute bag making. With the ban on plastic bags, now is an excellent time to enter the jute bag manufacturing industry. It is a low-cost, low-margin business. However, mass marketing and economies of scale will make this business profitable. It is one of the good ideas for small-scale industries in India. 26. Meat processing. If you are a non-vegetarian or your customs permit the same, meat processing is a high-margin business to try out. 27. Microbrewery. With increasing stress levels and social needs, microbreweries are growing. Why not get into this market before it's too late? Before you begin, think about the licensing requirements in the city where you live. 28. Naphthalene ball making. With increasing humidity and extreme climates, people use naphthalene balls to prevent their woolen clothes from getting spoiled. It is also used in washrooms, urinals, etc. This is a good option for a side business. 29. Noodles or spaghetti making. If you are looking for small factory ideas, you can try this business. Depending on the need and market, both instant and regular noodles can be prepared for processing. Make sure about the quality and food licenses when entering such markets. 30. Embroidery services. There is no turning back if you can set up a unit in your city and get ideas from other sites to provide that men and women will like. You can also get ideas online. Assemble, create, and manufacture garments for which designers and retailers are ready to pay a lot of money. Create uniqueness to get ahead of the existing designers. 31. Paper making. With plastic being banned, the paper industry is soon to see a boom. This is the right time to set up a small industry and start manufacturing paper products to fulfill the growing needs of the market. 32. Corrugated boxes. This is yet another way you can enter the paper product market. Traders and manufacturers are looking for long-lasting, durable products that can be used in place of plastic boxes. So start your research and enter the market of simple or variant of corrugated boxes. 33. Tool manufacturing. Tools are needed in all industries. Try capturing the wholesale market for tools and combining the manufacturing and trading of tools to attain regular customers. 34. Automotive parts manufacturing. Automotive parts have huge profits once you become a giant in the field. Start small to enter this market, which needs less investment, semi-skilled labor, and wholesale consumers. 35. Ceramic tile manufacturing. So do research and start procuring tiles to capture the local and rural areas. Getting associated with the government and bidding on small tenders can also help you grow your business. 36. Creative and unique product manufacturing. Like I stated earlier, if you are a woman with limited time, get into making creative products like envelopes, cards, Rockies, and handmade jewelry and exhibit the same as and when possible. However, you need a thorough cost analysis before fixing up the selling price. This is one of the best manufacturing businesses for women. 37. Woolen products manufacturing. Handmade woolen products have become rare, and people now aspire to possess one. If you have the right skills, start making and manufacturing woolen products. Most of the products mentioned have a potential online market that remains unexplored. 38. Paper or cloth bag manufacturing. Increased demand, great potential, limited skills, and less space are what I would add to this industry. The market is huge, you just need to be quick and add strength to the product for its longevity. 39. Chalk manufacturing. Chalk manufacturing is an old business, but the demand still exists, particularly in rural educational areas. 40. Ink or paint manufacturing. Ink is in demand in education, printing, and the chemical industry. The uses are many, but the manufacturers are few. It required the right machinery and skills to suit the needs of the client or customer. Various variants might include industrial ink, ink for pens, non-removable ink, and so on. 41. Toys manufacturing. China is the major competitor, and anti-dumping norms have made your life better if you are planning to enter this market. Toys ranging from simple to electrical can be found in every home with children. With a growing population, this business has huge potential. This is one of the best small manufacturing business ideas that would continue to have demand in the future. 42. Aluminum door and window manufacturing. This requires a lot of space and working capital. So if you have the space but limited capital, you can apply for loans and get into the manufacturing of aluminum doors and windows. 43. Wafer making. A small in-house workshop to manufacture banana and potato wafers, which have a good taste and sell even better than hotcakes. It is a brilliant way to start your part-time job. 44. Fruit or granola bar making. Health-conscious people are now looking out for a variety of such products. Simple to make and sell. Do not forget to add nutritional values on the package and make it vegetarian for the better confidence of the consumers. 45. Palm oil processing. If you are looking for manufacturing business ideas for rural areas, you can try this business. The main raw material is the palm fruits. Palm oil is important edible oil. It has a commercial application and is also used in the pharmaceutical industry. Although palm oil processing is profitable and capital intensive, it has less competition, making it a good avenue to enter. 46. Oil processing. If you belong to an agricultural zone or can procure the raw materials needed for making oil, it is a good business that is completely dependent on the machinery being used. Unskilled and semi-skilled labor works well to reduce your costs and increase profits. 47. Hair accessory making. Check out the web and explore the way people are now becoming fashion freaks and spending on accessories. Making and trading hair accessories requires less storage space, labor, and capital. If you possess the creativity, making hair accessories can be a brilliant choice for your first business. 48. Jewelry making. Follow the trends, use your expertise and trade to make the youth look better. Artificial jewelry trading is an upcoming business and is gaining popularity with the increasing prices of precious metals like gold, silver, and diamonds. This is one of the best manufacturing business ideas for those who love gold and gold jewelry. 49. Ice block manufacturing. Reverse osmosis water, the right machinery, and a warehouse to store the barrels are mandatory requirements for setting up this business. Hotels, restaurants, bars, and the pharmaceutical industry all seek safe and healthy ice to serve their customers and keep medicines from spoiling. 50. Ice cream cone making. Yet another interesting avenue for small businesses. Ice creams are sold around the year, and so are the cones in a variety of flavors. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more life-changing videos, and also like, share, and drop a comment down below, letting us know what video you would like to see next.